Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint mushroom meat in Enshrouded. This unique green material is essential for advancing your character and crafting powerful gear. We will cover exactly where to find it, the necessary preparations, and the best ways to harvest it efficiently. Understanding this resource is key to progressing through the game, especially for those looking to enhance their ranger or mage builds. Let's dive into the details and get you stocked up. To begin your hunt, journey to the Nomad Highlands, a large biome situated towards the eastern side of the map. Before entering, ensure your flame altar is strengthened to at least level 4. Otherwise, the shroud's red fog will block your path. Once inside, you will notice a unique green tint to the shroud, indicating the presence of these special mushrooms. The Umber Hollow, found centrally within the highlands, is particularly rich in this valuable resource. Once you've located the green shroud, harvesting is straightforward. Simply use any axe to chop down the large, luminous green mushrooms you encounter. For maximum efficiency, consider using a felling axe or a higher-grade tool like a copper or iron axe. Focus on the taller mushroom stalks, as these often provide a greater yield of meat. Remember, areas like Umber Hollow can host formidable level 18 enemies, so come prepared for combat. Mint mushroom meat serves several critical purposes in Enshrouded. Most importantly, you will need 20 pieces to strengthen your flame altar to its 5th level, unlocking new areas. It is also a key component for crafting advanced ranger armor sets, such as the hunter and sharpshooter gear, and essential for magician armor. Beyond combat, this versatile material can even be used to create vibrant green fabric dye and various decorative items for your base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.